Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have studied about who were tribal people, and some part was left about central India and the southern India. Part was left who were the tribal people. They were living in that area. In many area of present time in Bihar and Jharkhand, Chero chiefdoms had emerged by the 12th century at the time of rule of Akbar, and his general was Man Singh. He attacked on Cheros and defeated them, and that area came under the Akbar rule. And at the time of Aurangzeb, again the Cheros started becoming in power, and other tribal people in India were Kolis. Kolis were in Maharashtra and Karnataka, Gujarat, and Korgas were found in Maharashtra, Bhil in western India and central India, Gond, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. These tribal people were found in our country in India. Now, next topic we are going to study. Next topic is how nomads and mobile people lived. The nomads, the main occupation of nomads were rearing animal. They move from one place to another place with their animal, and they go in that area where they find fodder for their animal, and also they do hunting work. They gather other fruits and vegetables from the forest area, and they sell their animal and the animal product, and also sometimes they make the rope and sack. These all things they sold the area where they go. And some nomads, mobile person they do entertainment by singing, by performing some other activity. In this way, the nomads and mobile people lived in that time. The next topic, as the economy and the need of society grew, according to different type of craft person, different type of worker who are doing different works according to their occupation, the different jatis were made, and it was according to Brahman system, the Varna system, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. In this way, they have taken some tribal people also became the part of a settled community, and also they become the part of society which was settled, and according to their occupation, some became smith, and some became carpenter. In this way, the different jatis or varnas came into existence at that time, and also the people who were ruling the tribal area, they also become the Kshatriya. Like among the Kshatriyas, new Rajput clans become powerful by 11th and 12th century, they belonged to different lineages such as Hunas, Chandelas, Chalukyas. Here, Hunas and Chandelas were in northern India and Chalukyas were in southern India. They were powerful Kshatriya and they replaced the old ruler and they became ruler. And in this way, the new Kshatriya, new ruler classes became into existence.